Hello, today I'll tell you about the magnets and what types of magnets there are, how they connect to the controller. Magnets look like this. It's a magnet, it has a plate here that sticks to the device. The second type of magnet, these are magnetic latches. They are normally closed, so the bolt is pushed into the magnet and it does not open, and normally open. In order to open a normally closed magnet, it is necessary to apply 12-volt power to it. In order to close a normally open magnet, it is also necessary to apply 12 volts to it. We will do this. We take casings for the switch and put them on the wires of the magnetic locks. With the help of crimper, crimp it. Then we cut the excess. The same will be done with the second wire. Then, if necessary, this magnetic lock is connected to the controller output. Power, since it has wires of the same color as the instruction says that the power is connected on either side, most electromagnets can connect to plus and minus, so it connects to the desired output of the controller. Now I'll show you how the electromagnet works. I connected the 12 volts power supply. The plate stuck. I turn off the power, it has residual magnetization and it's normal. In order to get rid of the residual magnetization, you can cover this iron plate with adhesive tape and then it's going to open automatically. The second type of magnet is this kind of magnet. This is a magnetic latch. You must also crimp everything. Connect all the magnets with an unshielded 1-pair cable 16AWG. Attention, the polarity is important here. The wires are painted in different colors, red for plus, black for minus. With such a click, the latch flew off. And when I removed the power, it blocked again. On such magnetic locks, you cannot give power for more than 3 seconds. The instructions say that it does not fail. It is necessary to comply with this condition. The last type of locks are locks normally closed. They have the same principle of action as the first lock. It has a constant power consumption. Here, black is ground, white is plus, and when the power is applied, we can close the lock. As soon as the power is removed, the latch works again. Normally closed locks are used only in standalone disposable caskets, because when players open the casket, they can accidentally close it. Such normally open locks are used in the doors and in any other caskets. Please note that only magnetic locks are used on the doors, which open completely when the power is removed. It's important for safety. Thanks for attention.